Hey there, Star Wars fans! Today, we're taking a close look at the LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer building set. If you're a fan of epic space battles and want to bring the Galactic Empire into your collection, check out the link below for the best price available today. Let's dive right in. Epic design and detail. The Imperial Star Destroyer is an iconic Star Wars vehicle, and this LEGO set does it justice with impressive detail and accuracy. With its sleek triangular shape and menacing appearance, the model perfectly captures the fearsome presence of the Empire's flagship. It's designed to look just like it does in the movies, complete with surface detailing, turrets, and even a bridge area where the command center is located. Minifigures and accessories. This set includes Darth Vader and 6 additional minifigures, including Imperial officers and crew members, making it a dream for Star Wars enthusiasts. It's easy to recreate your favorite scenes from the Star Wars saga or create your own epic battles. The set also comes with a TIE fighter and blaster accessories for added playability. Building experience. With 1,200 plus pieces, this set is ideal for builders age 10 and up. The build is complex enough to keep you engaged but not overwhelming, making it a rewarding project for kids and adults alike. The instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, making it a fun and satisfying build for Star Wars fans. Display and playability. Once assembled, the Imperial Star Destroyer measures over 14 inches long, making it a centerpiece for any LEGO Star Wars collection. It's sturdy enough for interactive play, so kids can enjoy staging battles or sending Darth Vader into action. It's also a fantastic display piece for collectors, perfect for your desk or shelf. Who is it for? This set is perfect for kids, teens, and adults who are passionate about Star Wars and LEGO. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for fans of the Galactic Empire or Darth Vader. Final thoughts. The LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer building set is an outstanding addition to the LEGO Star Wars universe. With detailed design, iconic minifigures, and hours of engaging building fun, it's a must-have for any Star Wars fan. Ready to join the dark side? Don't wait, click the link below to get yours at the best price today.